Good afternoon, class. Teacher Dave here once again. We're going to be working on the O-I sound today. Oi, oi. That is how you pronounce the O-I diphthong. Oi. I have a number of words here we're going to go through and learn this afternoon. So I will say the word and then just repeat the word with me. Coin, coin. Coin is something we would have in our pocket or our purse. A coin. Oil, oil is something we might use to cook with, or you use oil in your car. Oil, oil. Voice, voice. I am using my voice to speak with you this afternoon. Voice. That's that oi sound. Soil, soil. Soil is something you can actually put in your hand. It is dirt. You might find it in your garden. We grow food in soil. Oi, soil. Moist, moist. It means wet. Things that are moist are wet, like with water. Moist. Noise. Noise. Loud sounds we call noises. Noise. Rejoice. Rejoice. It means to praise or be happy. We rejoice in God for the good things He does. Rejoice. Join. Join means to come together. You might join two things together, two pieces of cloth, and you join them. Join. Toilet. Toilet. This is something that you might find in a bathroom. It's a toilet. Choice. Choice. You make a decision. You make a choice. Choice. So that is just a quick rundown of the O-I sound. Oi, oi. Thank you for watching, and we'll have another one next week. Bye-bye.